GRE Word List, List 10, Synonyms plus Antonyms. The very first one is collation, collation, mutabaqat, फर्र, गज़ब, emphasis, जोर, distillery, शराब बनाने का कारखाना, सप्री, हंसी मजाक, lunch, झुकाव. So the right answer is lunch, झुकाव, which is the synonym of collation. Colloquial, colloquial, आम गुफ्तगू, polished, खास अंदाज, burnt, जलाया हुआ, political, सियासी, gifted, काबिल, problematic, मशकूक. So the right answer is polished, खास अंदाज, which is the antonym of colloquial. Colloquy, colloquy, बातचीत, dialect, गुफ्तगू का अंदाज, diversion, mode, discussion, बहस, announcement, ऐलान, expansion, फैलाव. So the right answer is discussion, बहस, which is the synonym of colloquy. Comatose, comatose, कोमा की हालत, cozy, आरामी, restrained, रुका हुआ, dumb, गुमसुम, alert, होशियार, grim, drowna. So the right answer is alert, होशियार, which is the antonym of comatose. Combustible, combustible, जो जल सके, industrious, जफाकश, waterproof, पानी रोक या पन रोक, specific, खास, flammable, जो जल सके, plastic, rubber. So the right answer is flammable, जो जल सके, which is the synonym of combustible. Comele, comele, जाज़ब, yielding, रजामंद, extremely sleepy, बहुत ज़्यादा सोने वाला, equal in extent, बराबर होना, roving, बेक़याम, unattractive, दिलकश ना होना. So the right answer is unattractive, दिलकश ना होना, which is the antonym of comele. Commodious, commodious, कशादा, numerous, वाफिर, yielding, रजामंद, leisurely, आराम से, expensive, महंगा, limited, महदूद. So the right answer is limited, महदूद, which is the antonym of commodious. Complaint, compliant, compliant, fine, ताबा फरमा, adamant, सख्त पत्थर, numerous, वाफिर, veracious, सच्चा, soft, नरम, livid, काला. So the right answer is adamant, सख्त पत्थर, which is the antonym of compliant. Conciliate, conciliate, मसालहत, quarrel, झगड़ा, defend, बचाना, activate, चलाना, integrate, अज्जा का मरकब, react, रद्द-ए-अमल. So the right answer is quarrel, झगड़ा, which is an antonym of conciliate. Concoct, concoct, बनाना, invent, ऐजाद करना, thrive, पनपना, wonder, ताज्जुब, intrude, ज़बरदस्ती, drink, पीना. So the right answer is invent, ऐजाद करना, which is the synonym of concoct. Condone, नज़रअंदाज करना, build, बनाना, evaluate, अंदाज़ा लगाना, pierce, छेदना, infuriate, गज़ब, overlook, नज़रअंदाज करना. So the right answer is overlook, नज़रअंदाज करना, which is the antonym of condone. Sorry, it was synonym. Confiscate, confiscate, कब्जा कर लेना, seize, पकड़ लेना, discuss, बहस करना, discover, मालूम करना, exist, निकल जाना, convey, पहुंचाना. So the right answer is seize, पकड़ लेना, which is the synonym of confiscate. Conformity, conformity, तकलीद, ambition, आरज़ू, confinement, किनारा कशी, pride, फ़ख्र, agreement, रजामंदी, restraint, pabandi. So the right answer is agreement, razamandi, which is the synonym of conformity. And the last one is congenital, congenital, pedaishi, slight, hakir, obscure, गैर existing at birth, पैदाइश के वक्त वाक़या होना, thorough, मुकम्मल, classified, दर्जाबंद. So the right answer is existing at birth, which is the synonym of congenital. I forgot to mention seventh one option, so let's discuss it now. Commiserate, commiserate, रहम खाना, communicate, बातचीत, sympathize, हमदर्दी करना, expand, बढ़ाना, repay, वापस अदा करना, diminish, कम करना. So the right answer is sympathize, हमदर्दी करना, which is the synonym of commiserate.